In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Robinhood to Vanguard. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to initiate an automated customer account transfer service known as ACATS. This will allow you to transfer all of the stocks and all of your holdings in Robinhood to another bank like Vanguard. So this will be primarily done through Vanguard. So instead of initiating this process on Robinhood, make sure that you initiate this through Vanguard because they will do all of the transfer on their end after you provide the necessary information and of course authorization. So instead of using the Robinhood app or website, go to Vanguard. They have a page dedicated to initiating this transfer. So look for the how to transfer money option on Vanguard. So look for this page on Google or go to Investor Resources and Education and you will be able to prompt the transfer from here. So they list 3 major steps: identify which accounts you would like to transfer, gather information, and initiate it. So all that you have to do is log into your account if you already have one, or alternatively, if you click on Start a Transfer, they will guide you through the entire process of opening an account and setting it up. So as you can see, you do have to choose the option depending on what account you have or don't have at the moment. So you can choose Transfer Investments, and you can do it on your own, but if you want additional help, choose this option, I want advice, or go to their support page and scroll down and you can contact them. By calling them, they will be eager to help you initiate this transfer and they can guide you through the entire process, even going as far as helping you open the account. If you choose Invest on My Own, you will have to answer a bunch of questions about them. So choose the account type that you have, go into Continue, and just take all of these questions and forms until you are done. Sadly, I cannot show this entire process in this video. Not only is it a little bit lengthy, but also it contains personal information. Because it is all sensitive information, I cannot show you the entirety of this form being displayed on screen. But as you can see, you will have to enter information like your legal name, your email, citizenship, social security number, and simply follow the prompts on screen. After this is done, the transfer will be initiated and handled by Vanguard. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Robinhood to Vanguard. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.